I'm Michelle Roberts at the Dreamforce Campground. This is where customers start their learning journey, figure out what's hot, what's new, and where they can learn more. Let's check it out.
Campground is 40,000 square feet of products, industries, customer experiences.
I see giant ice cream. I want to go know what that is. I love it. It's giant, wonderful. It's like my favorite ice cream.
So Customer 360 is definitely the epicenter of Campground this year. As you can see, we like to call it maybe our Everest of Salesforce. What you'll learn there is what's the single view of the customer. You hiked up the mountain. We want to make sure you get down, and we did incorporate a little slide action for you. We hope everybody has fun on their way down.
It was fun. It was really cool to come out of that amazing presentation on 360 in that dome and then slide right down into the exhibit.
We are waking up at the Marriott Customer Experience to figure out why there's a bed in the middle of the campground.
Here we have 5 different vignettes, and you can walk through the Marriott customer experience. So they are connecting with their customers as soon as the customer walks on the plane.
I'm on an airplane. I'm heading out to Vail. I'm looking forward to a great vacation.
When they get to their room, they can actually use Alexa to book a spa appointment at the JW Marriott.
Definitely gets me in the spa mood. It gets me really excited for my trip to Egypt in December. I'll be staying at their Marriott property in Cairo.
So yeah, it's a great experience.
So we'll have about 10,000 a day, and by the end of the week, everybody from Dreamforce will have been on Campground.